Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to open a Morgan Stanley account very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so whether you are on an iPhone or Android device or a computer or laptop device, just open up your internet browser and now just go to google.com. And here let me just wait for it to load, and here you just have to write in Morgan Stanley like this, and then you just have to click on the first link. By the way guys, the steps are going to be pretty similar on a computer or laptop device as well, because I'm doing it on their website. So once you are on their website, just click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen on your mobile phone, and then just click on client login, and then just click on Morgan Stanley online. And now you just have to click on create a username like this, and here you just have to put in your account number of your Morgan Stanley account and the last 4 digits of your SNN, and then just continue, and you'll get some simple steps that you will have to follow. And yeah, after you have followed all the steps on the screen, and then your account will be created. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.